life be like, yeah, my life be like.
Hello, and welcome to Fox Gadget. Have you ever felt that technology advances so quickly that you barely have time to discover a gadget before a better one comes along? Well, get ready, because today I bring you a selection of 15 incredible gadgets that are not only useful, but seem to come from another dimension. From accessories that will make your daily life more comfortable to devices that will revolutionize the way you work, travel, or have fun. So, get comfortable, because we're getting started. ProtoArc XKM0 folding keyboard. Imagine having your entire office in your pocket. That's what the ProtoArc XKM01 folding keyboard achieves. A 4-in-1 kit that includes a 105-key keyboard, slim mouse, phone stand, and hard case, designed for those who work and travel non-stop. Its foldable and ultra-lightweight design makes it perfect for setting up in seconds in a coffee shop, airport, or even on a flight, offering the comfort of a real desk thanks to its numeric keypad and full-function keys, plus the silent mouse with adjustable DPI and the ability to connect up to 3 devices at once ensure productivity in any scenario, without annoying noises or complications. Everything is recharged via USB-C. It is compact, durable, and ready to accompany you in your daily life for just $80. GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Multi-Tool. The GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Multi-Tool is basically like having MacGyver in your pocket. Axe, hammer, screwdrivers, knives, pliers, whistle, and even a flint lighter, all in one compact gadget made of durable stainless steel. The best part is that it's not just for camping or hiking, but also for emergencies at home, in the office, or in the car, because you never know when you're going to need to fix something on the fly. It comes with a nylon case for easy carrying, and at around $25, it's the perfect gift for that adventurous friend. Trio 3 and Trio 3 Pro. Forget about fighting with endless tabs. With the Trio 3 and Trio 3 Pro, you can turn your laptop into a workstation with 3 portable screens ready in seconds. They're lightweight, attach with magnets, and fold easily so you can carry them in the same bag as your laptop without taking up much extra space. The best thing about them is their flexibility. Use just one screen, unfold both, or rotate one to enter presentation mode and impress at any meeting. The Pro version elevates the experience with 1440 PQHD resolution, ideal for those who want maximum sharpness. In short, you go from chaos on a single screen to total organization on 3, whether for work or study. They are priced at $374. Smokpub VentoGo X1. Is your car your second home? Then you know how difficult it is to keep it spotless and ready for any unexpected event. The Smokpub VentoGo X1 is here to simplify everything. A 4-in-1 kit that combines an air compressor, vacuum cleaner, blower, and LED flashlight in a single compact device. With 150 psi of power, it inflates a tire in minutes and stops automatically when the specified pressure is reached. It has 5,000 pascal suction power to remove hidden hair, dust, and crumbs, and a 20 meters per second air jet to instantly clean keyboards, grills, or cameras. Even if nighttime catches you by surprise, its built-in LED light and up to 25 hours of battery life will get you out of a jam. All this with an ergonomic T-shaped design that fits in your cup holder and a digital display that keeps you informed at all times. It retails for around $60. VoltBot Charger. The VoltBot Charger isn't just a charger. It's practically your desktop assistant in gadget form. With ultra-fast 25-watt Qi 2.2 wireless charging, you can power your smartphone, smartwatch, and headphones at the same time, forgetting about tangled cables. But the best part is that it's also a Bluetooth speaker, a smart alarm clock, and even your sleep companion with 9 relaxing white noise modes to help you rest better. Its 3-inch touchscreen lets you easily control everything and even automatically rotate your phone for horizontal or vertical use while charging. In short, a personal power hub that combines technology, convenience, and futuristic design for only $79. Incarnify. Imagine a security camera that not only records but understands what it sees. That's Incarnify, the first AI-powered home camera that works like ChatGPT but with eyes. No more false alerts from shadows or stray cats. This camera distinguishes what's important and tells you in clear words in real time. In just 30 seconds, you can catch up on everything that has happened in the last 24 hours, or receive a descriptive alert in 10 seconds if something serious happens, such as a fall or a fire. You can even listen to the live stream as if it were a podcast, so you can stay informed without having to watch the screen all the time. What do you think? It costs $179. Newyes Scan Reader. Holding a small pen capable of reading, translating, and even recording voice instantly seems like something out of science fiction. But that's exactly what the Newyes Scan Reader Pen 3 does. Scan any text, from handwritten notes to labels, and in the blink of an eye, hear it read aloud or translate it into more than 100 languages, both in text and voice. It has incredible accuracy. It recognizes up to 3,000 characters per minute, translates in just 0.3 seconds, and achieves approximately 98% accuracy. Plus, it can convert printed text into editable text thanks to its OCR in 55 languages. Whether you're a student or a professional, you can save scanned fragments, transfer them to your computer with USB-C, and even use it as an MP3 player or voice recorder. It costs around $170. EZARC Screwdriver Set. It's always the same story. You want to fix a remote control, your cell phone, or even a toy, but you never have the right screwdriver bit. With the EZARC Screwdriver Set, you can forget about that, because it comes with 160 magnetic bits, plus extra tools such as tweezers and a suction cup to open cell phones, laptops, or consoles without any problems. The best part is its electric screwdriver with 3 torque levels, long battery life, and USB-C charging, which you can continue to use even while it's charging. Everything comes in a compact, stylish case that's ready to keep on your desk. For $60, you basically save yourself from asking for favors or paying for simple repairs. The MOMAX 3-in-1 Airbox. Go Compact is the ultimate gadget for those who live surrounded by Apple devices and don't want to carry around a mess of cables. With a 10,000 mAh internal battery and official MFI and MFM certifications, this wireless charger guarantees full compatibility with MagSafe, iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods without worrying about security issues or updates that stop working. Unlike most external batteries that offer just 7.5 watts, here you get an ultra-fast 15-watt output for iPhone, plus a dedicated 5-watt output for AirPods, and another 5W output for Apple Watch. In other words, you can charge all 3 at the same time without sacrificing power or speed. It costs around $140. ZHIYUN Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're thinking about taking your content to the next level, the ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI is like having a personal cameraman in your pocket. This 3-axis stabilizer turns any shot into a smooth, professional clip, without those shaky movements that ruin a good video. The best feature is its artificial intelligence module, which recognizes and tracks subjects with complete precision even without apps, and even responds to gestures. Raise your hand and it immediately starts recording you, perfect for those who create content alone. It also features a powerful fill light with color filters so that even at night, your recording looks flawless. And if you want to add more style, its 360-degree vortex mode allows you to capture shots worthy of a music video. It costs $211. Newbealer Mini Iron. The Newbealer Mini Iron is the gadget that saves the day when you need to look impeccable on a trip without lugging around a huge iron. With its compact design measuring 15 centimeters long and weighing just 3.4 kilograms, as well as dual voltage, you can take it anywhere in the world and use it without any hassle. It heats up in just 30 seconds, maintains a constant temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, and its diamond-coated ceramic sole plate glides smoothly even over delicate fabrics. Ideal for details such as collars and cuffs thanks to its double-pointed design, it's perfect for getting your clothes ready for that business photo or elegant dinner on vacation. It costs $35. Makatar Minimax. The Makatar Minimax is the evolution of portable storage, small, stylish, and surprisingly powerful. It says goodbye to the obsolete to give you ultra-fast transfer speeds, large capacity, and an intelligent temperature control system that keeps it stable even during intense sessions. Its big advantage is compatibility. It works seamlessly with both iPhones and USB-C devices, without the need for adapters or complications, meaning you can connect it directly to your phone, laptop, tablet, or even your video game console. All this in a compact design that fits in your pocket but offers the space and reliability that traditional drives simply cannot match. It retails for around $165. 70My Dash Cam Pro A500S. The 70My Dash Cam Pro A500S is like having a trusted eyewitness on every journey. Its front camera records in 2.7K with a 140-degree angle, capturing even the smallest details on the road with impressive clarity. And when paired with the RC06 rear camera sold separately, you get a dual-channel 2.7K plus 1080p system, ideal for recording everything that happens both in front of and behind your vehicle. But what really sets it apart is its Sony IMX335 sensor, which, together with the 6-layer lens and f1.8 aperture, offers superior night vision. Even on dark roads, images are clear and without blind spots. This dash cam is not just a technological accessory, it is a safety tool that gives you peace of mind on the road, clear evidence in the event of accidents or disputes, and a more reliable way to travel every day. It's priced at $81. Vobot Mini Dock. The Vobot Mini Dock is much more than just a docking station. It's like having a mini control center on your desk. With a built-in display and 10 ready-to-use apps, with more on the way, it lets you manage your time, your tasks, and even monitor your computer's performance without opening a single extra window. It also functions as a 7-in-1 docking station, ideal for keeping your workspace clean and connected in seconds. It includes an adjustable Pomodoro timer to help you focus, synchronization with Todoist so you don't forget your to-do list, and real-time alerts for weather, finances, or even your own PC, all in a minimalist design that fits on any desk. And best of all this for only $45. A perfect gadget for those seeking productivity with a geeky touch. Nocfree. Imagine typing for hours without feeling tension in your hands or shoulders, because everything adapts to you and not the other way around. That's how Nocfree works, a split wireless keyboard that is changing the way we work and play. It is the first low-profile split keyboard with a joint mount, giving it incredible ergonomic comfort and a much more natural typing experience. Its smart design allows you to use it intuitively, whether connected via Bluetooth, 2.4G, or cable, making it versatile for any situation. Plus, it's available in ANSI and ISO designs, adapting to different typing styles and preferences around the world. In short, it's a gadget designed for those seeking efficiency, comfort, and a modern design that fits your digital life. It's priced at $250. And there you have it, 15 incredible gadgets that are paving the way for 2025. Some are designed to make your life easier, others to surprise you with their innovation, but they all have one thing in common. Once you get to know them, it's hard not to love them. Now tell me in the comments, which of these gadgets would you like to try first? And if you know of any others that should be on the list, share them too. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because there are more technological discoveries coming that you won't want to miss. See you next time.